In this video, you will learn how to backup chat history in Telegram. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it for yourself. So first step is you have to open your Telegram app in your Android or iOS device. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you will see three horizontal lines in a top left corner. You have to click on them. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you will see a option called settings. So now you have to click on this settings option. After that you will have an interface like this. So here you will see a option called data and storage. So now you have to simply open the data and storage option. After that you will have an interface like this. So first step, you have to click in this option and you have to if you off you have to on this for option. After that you have to click on this when connected to Wi-Fi second option, and now you have to on this for option again. After that you have to again click on when roaming third option, and now you have to on this for option again. After that you have to come back, and that's how you can backup chat history in Telegram. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.